So today I'm working on player damage. As you can see, there's no player damage or attack animation yet. Well, the animation is already prepared, but they don't attack. So that's an issue. They can take damage from me, but I can't take damage from them. So I have to implement it. And that's what we're gonna do today. And little bug fixing, I guess. Let's see. Uh, Check the documentation on damage. So I'm using the low poly shooter pack for my game. That's an implementation of several weapons, animations, third person and first person view. So that takes a lot of work to do it myself. So I decided to save that time. Early on, when I started developing the game, there was an implementation made by me which implemented all that by myself. So I did that before, but I find it way more convenient to rely on their experience. So I implement their solution, which is quite good in my opinion. So let's check the damageable. So that's not that. Check in the content. There it is. The damageable blueprint is an extremely useful actor for game developers. Okay. All damageable objects, such as barrels and targets, share this blueprint as a starting point. The blueprint is equipped with a basic damage receiving functionality and the ability to handle all damage using health components. Okay. So how to implement it? Okay. So let's check the references. Let's maybe check this barrel. Okay. So I know that barrel can be damaged, so let's try this out. Yeah, explosion is missing. I don't know why, but seems to work. Let's check that out. So what's the base class of this? damage explosive. Component. Interfaces. Damage. Aim assist target. Okay. So I'm looking for the implementation. So I guess to look here, damageable. That's the base class, I assume. Check. Parent class actor, yeah. So this has to be the main damage class. So let's check that out where it's used. Damage target. So how did they implement it? Component. So they share the damageable class as a parent class. Looks like. So this guy has a class which is this one, the blueprint LPSP damage. And this one is the parent class of damageable. So I assume that I have to parent class my enemies and myself from this damageable class, so I can receive damage, and the enemies can also receive damage. So let's take a look How do they apply damage? Damageable weapon. Check this weapon class. Animation. That this. A lot of stuff here. And okay. This is the health class. Check the documentation. Head. Okay, so where is it used and how? Let's check. Okay, the house got health. Let's check the house. There's the health. It's inherited. Check the class settings. Close it. Got the health component too. Let's check the class settings. Damageable. As an actor. Damageable got the health component. So I assume there are the events, yes. So I need to parent class to this one. Close the other ones. Check. Check the okay. Go to my AI blueprint, the enemies, my base class. So that's the enemy right there. And I need the health component here, so I need to change the class setting to character base is my original class, so I need there. Did it. Switch to that asset. Character base. Character setup on character. So what happens if I change image class? SP damageable. So the damageable repair may cause data loss. I think I committed my changes already. Yep. So no risk. Dead. Okay. I'm gonna undo that one. Didn't yet. So let's undo that. Hmm. I see right there. Oh. I'm not quite satisfied with the documentation of this asset, but they're working on it, I assume. Earnings. Oh. Damageable. Or maybe lead character. This one. Messed it up again. Yes. So where's the mesh? Let's not save it. Undo it and try again. Not to mess it up. So quite undocumented asset. But great. Anyways, it works really great. But I think they need to work on the documentation of the low poly shooter pack that I purchased. So let's check it again. There we got the damageable. And we get my AI character. So there's a mesh that is inherited because of character base. So why can't this one be character base? Hmm. I think I'm gonna duplicate it. Try it out. Parent the damageable class to a base character class. Let's copy it temporarily here. Check it. Base character base character base. So let's. What is the target? I is required to. So do this. Out. No, this doesn't help either. Oh. Character base editing. Type is minus this. Base. It turns it into a float. I don't know why. So previously this was no float. So let's out. I don't know why they changed it to float when I reparent the class. There must be a bug or something. Switching the base class of this damageable class from actor to character base turns out to convert this health variable to a float instead of this health component here that I require. So okay, let's rewire it. That one be better, I assume, and the same for this. It's a little confusing why it converts to a float. Anyone knows, let me know. So rewired, and this one no results, so let's delete it, compile and save. Okay, so let's rename it back to health. Not allowed. Why? Health is another function. Back to function. Zero, whatever. So I reparent the damageable to character base class. You can see here. Won't compile yet. So here, fix it. File. It compiles. Okay, cool. Now I'm gonna use this class as a base class for my character base, which I could not previously because it was of kind of actor. The damageable was not a character base but an actor, and that destroyed my mesh here because character base inherits the mesh component. And that was missing afterwards. So let's check it. Check the class defaults. And let's use db measurable. Reference. Oh. Red custom because I changed it. Oh. For class damageable. So repair. Compile. Okay, great. So now, after I reparent my AI base class, the damageable that I wrote that I changed from actor to base character, I should inherit all the stuff that is damage related. So the events and stuff, like point damage and stuff. Yeah, don't take any damage. Should fire if I hit my character. So any damage. Okay, let's bind it. Once. Bind the event, take any damage. Target is stealth. So let's print something. Damage. Take any damage. Fired. Change the color to red or something. One, I don't care. So what I assume should happen is this damage event should fire. Event begin play binds the event, and this function should get called if the AI character base gets damaged. So let's try it out if it works. So if I shoot them, I should see the message on screen. If not, something is wrong. Take damage for it. Yay, it worked. Great. So now I can consume damage, which is great. Perfect. So how is the health component handled? Check it. Name it to this. Using it. Later. Okay. Same should work for character. So let's first handle the damage. Handle projectile damage. Name it. Okay. Apply damage. Minecraft. So that could call attacking state. Okay, we are not going here. Has to play a character. Okay, we're using the defense character. What fires? What I'm currently doing is, if the enemy reaches the player, the attack animation should fire, and the damage applied to the player should also fire, which currently doesn't work, as you can see. They're just walking towards me and doing nothing but walking, and they should attack. So let's debug this. So maybe let's try it. No. Overlap event. Won't get fired. Why? So here. Messy. Set timer by function. That must be the overlap event. Okay, let's cast this to ends base class of the character I'm playing. Not what I want. One. Save the actor in. Let's try it. Did I do wrong? Didn't wire the object. So I'm casting the on overlap. If the enemy overlaps the player, which is me, then I'm casting the other actor, which is the player, to the player class that I'm currently playing, which is BP, LP, SP, GM defense, and that should set the actor in reach to the player. What it does is to detect on overlap. So the enemy detects on overlap if the player is in reach, and that gets stored here in the actor in reach variable. So let's try if this triggers. Overlap. So let's see. Where are you? They take damage as usual. They spawn. And oh, no overlap. Sucks. Why is there no overlap? Let's see if it overlaps anything at all. Yes, it does. So let's cast to a character base, and if the cast fails, let's go there. Oh, I'm casting to the AI character base because I don't want collisions to be fired between AIs. So if they collide, I don't want to know it. I just want to know the event if the enemy collides with the player. So let's see. Again, I didn't wire up the object. that working. So now if they collide with each other, it should not fire. What a... Okay, it's a spawn point. Sucks. Cast that too. Can I filter overlap events? Exclude certain classes? Yeah, I can by filtering the collisions. So the capsule does collide. Currently, does overlap currently with the spawn point. Let's see. And spawn point. VP spawn point. Okay. Why? Okay. Didn't find it. Has failed. Oh. Now, if it's not the spawn point and not the character colliding with each other, it should be the player. I could be wrong. There could be another collision getting called, like waltz or something. Yeah. Yeah, that's interesting. I need to filter that first. That was wrong. Try again. This is one. Yeah. Well, no. Right. Where's the starting there? So, where are you, enemies? Okay, now collision. No collision called. Okay. They don't overlap with me. That sucks. So, what is cast failed? That does not get called. So the capsule does not collide with player. No, it blocks him. Kinda wrong. Enemy query only. Should overlap the pawn. See. In the collision settings presets I created. So enemy query only. The pawn should all overlap event. Player also. Yeah, let's try that. Try. Yeah, okay. So the pawn class was the issue here that was blocking. So the actor could not overlap with the player. So the AI did not fire the overlap event. And now it should fire it, as you can see here. And the other class is the player controller. So let's cast it to that one and try that out again. So cast completed. Object as set reactor and read. Yeah. On. Yeah, I want to debug. So spawn overlap. Okay, 10. And okay. Base class of character. Not what I That's the one I'm sure I the game mode. Game mode. Okay. Get it. Check the character I am currently playing. Be on the world settings. Game. Which game mode I'm overriding. The defense game mode. And that's the so and go. That's the pawn I'm playing. And I can see which base class uses ELPSP H. ECA. Yeah, it must be correct. So Google it. So let's see. No. Last. We used to. Yeah. Oh. Okay. Good. Count. Point failed. This should trigger. So let's try the other way around. Play again. Let's see. Let's collide. Fired. This one is okay. This one fires. Yeah, okay, that's a base class. I can use that. But I don't need that, so I can remove the breakpoint. That succeeded. Let's start a breakpoint. So the breakpoint should fire when we overlap with the enemy. Clean that mess up. Also, let's try it first. Let's collide. Collision fired. And read. Okay, that's fine. Okay. I don't need that. Works. Try again, just to make sure. Are they? Are they? Nothing fires. What did I do wrong? Did I change there? The fuck? Heavens. What the fuck? This is... Did I change? Damn it. Firing for sure. Let's see that again. What am I doing wrong? Anyone tell me? No overlap. What the fuck? This cast fails. Yeah, for sure. Yeah. This has to fire. Okay. Okay. That fires. That should work. No. Crash. Damn it. Crashed. Rebuild. hope the changes were saved. Has to fire. So interesting. Interesting. I need to cast. I get it. It changed the collision settings. The crash maybe. Very only. On is still overlapping. So it fires. It fires. Yep. That's the on point I don't want. Walk towards me, and now they collide. I don't get it. I don't get it. If anyone knows what I'm doing wrong, in my assumption I did not change anything to the collision settings. Yeah. There. Yeah. Fires. Fire. Crash. I don't get it. The engine's currently crashes. Why are you doing this to me, Unreal Engine? Going on here? Back again. Again, no collisions. Interesting. No, I didn't set the breakpoint. So it has to collide. Okay. Right. Set a breakpoint again. And go there. Now we got the actor in reach, which is the layer character. Okay, fine. Continue. Save all. Sure. Now the actor in reach is the actual. So why can't this work if those two make any sense? Let's try again. It should generate overlap events. Yeah. Fine. Yeah, works. Try again. Make sure. There they come. So fine, okay. Now I stored the actor in reach, and that should trigger the attack, actually. like light damage player function. So the attack state should. Where's the attack state? Don't save the attack state here. It has to be in the end class. Let's check it. Close this one up. And hash. Zombie common is the attack. Right. There's the attack state. Attack. Okay. This variable should be triggered on overlap, so the attack gets started. Okay. Maybe this issue, yeah. Go there. Check the extend reach. Must be this base class. Trigger a breakpoint. Let's overlap. Overlap. Or cast failed. Let's check here. Reach. Edit. Yeah. Let's make sure this fires. Edit. One of them must be no, that's not possible. Because actor and reach should always be this fast. The get over here. No trigger. Oh, ever. Why? Why? Maybe I trigger multiple. Trigger. Trigger overlap, maybe. Just a capsule. Let's try. Okay. Why? Why? I don't get it. If I shoot them, that's triggered. Man hört alles doppelt, scheiße. Sekunde. Mhm. Alles doppelt, scheiße. Okay, cool. Ja. Dachte schon, meine ganze Aufnahme ist verkackt. Perfekt. So muss das sein. Ich kämpfe hier noch mit den Player Damages rum. Die verkackten Line Traces. So, just burn off the line. One. Again. I will this damage logic. Got hit even. God. Wanted. Kannst du mir Raiden erklären für einen Noob? Ich habe keine Ahnung, was du meinst. Das ist Reach. Ja, das wäre aber nett von dir. Das wäre natürlich cool. Ja, ich sammle langsam ein paar Zuschauer einfach so nebenher. Und ja, mach jetzt mal einen Devlog von meinem Game. Mal entschieden so. Weil langsam nimmt es auch Form an. Und das Survival Mode ist spielbar. Danke dir. Und die Spawn-Logik, die war auch ewig viel Arbeit. Also Ziel ist ein 2 bis 4 Spieler Splitscreen an einem PC. Und eventuell ein Steam Release. Wäre nice. Bis jetzt habe ich allerdings nur den Survival Mode, der immer härter wird, bis man ja, wellenmäßig einfach, wie weit man kommt. Und die werden immer ein bisschen zäher und ein bisschen mehr und spawnen immer so, dass du nicht siehst wo. Problem habe ich allerdings mit der Attack-Animation, die spielt gerade nicht ab. Da stimmt noch was mit der Kollision nicht. Die jetzt nahe kommen, müsste jetzt eigentlich die Attack und der Damage getriggert werden, da arbeite ich gerade noch dran. So what I said is I'm currently still working on the attack and damage to the player, which is currently not working yet. The survival game mode is playable, but has to do a lot. I have to do a lot of work to fix issues like stuck enemies and stuff. Yeah, bug fixing and damage still not working quite properly. Okay, Game Sound ist zu laut. Ist besser oder immer noch zu laut? Okay, noch ein bisschen leiser vielleicht. So. So. Danke dir. Ole. Money all the way. Funny part is the money does nothing yet, but collecting still fun anyways. I don't know why. So, wave completed. Wave 4. Getting difficult. Okay. Running really fast, guy. As you can see, the damage they can take gets bigger. More. So they can take a lot more damage now. Each wave I increase slightly the damage they can take. So it gets more difficult. I also make sure that the spawn of the enemies will get difficult also when the next wave starts. So they get more durable and the total size of the enemies increase slightly with each wave. And the sum of the damage capabilities of the enemies in the area increase slightly also. So it gets difficult. Okay. So if I could die from them, it would make more fun, but currently I'm not taking damage. So as you can see, it gets harder, little by little. wave 5. Slight increase. Full enemies. They still got stuck when you kill in front of them. When you kill one, they got stuck somehow. I need to fix this too. Yeah, there's a lot of things to do to make it bug free and playable. For the playable part, I just need to implement the damage the player can take. So then it would be a survival mode, only wave based. A little bit boring, but ready to play, which is cool. And maybe a boss fight at the end. Die. Yeah, they can take more damage now. Almost a whole magazine to kill him. Go, move, bitch. Yeah, starts to make fun. If you got any ideas related to game modes other than survival, please let me know. I will consider other game modes too and maybe implement them. They're making fun. So enough played. Yeah, so was my first official devlog. I hope I did okay. So I will wrap it up. Damage is not yet implemented. I think I need another day to make the player damage or two. So that's what I'm working on next time. Thanks for watching and have a nice day. Und dir sage ich auch ciao. Bin die Tage wieder on. Mach jetzt mal den Devlog so ein bisschen konsequenter. Bye.